What happens to oil and water when mixed together? Hello boys and girls, we're going to test out what happens when we mix oil and water. Before we start, I would like for you to go to your portfolio and complete the writing part of this lesson. Write what you think will happen when you mix oil and water. For the next part of our experiment, we will test our hypothesis. So what do you think is going to happen? The materials that you would need for this experiment is water, oil, a water bottle, or a tall glass. First step, you want to add your water into the empty bottle. Next, you want to add the oil into the water bottle. See what happens? The oil floats on top of the water. Let's try to mix it and see if it makes a difference. The oil rises and sits on top of the water still. Let's try shaking it. As we can see, the oil and water still do not mix. But why? I'm glad you asked. Oil is less dense than water. It will always float on top of water. Density is the amount of stuff or mass something has inside of it compared to its volume or size. Think about a rock and a rubber ducky. The rubber ducky will float because it has less density and a rock has more density. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about density. Now it's time for you to try it at home. Feel free to test it out on other solutions like food coloring or syrup and see if they mix with oil and water. Happy experimenting! See you next time. Bye-bye!